All right, I just got back from the test ride. A bike ran like a top. It's very seldom I can say that a Norton runs as good as my own Norton, but this one does. It's smooth, it's fast, it's comfortable, brakes good, and all around, I like this bike. So anyway, the new fork boots are on. Did that this morning. Here's my puppy dog. They look good. We put in an Alton electric starter. It works like a champ. We did a first start the other day, already published that video. And we did the AMR anti-drain down valve modification to the timing cover. That's where AMR in Tucson takes the timing cover and installs a 1975 style anti-drain down valve that keeps the oil from draining out of the oil tank into the bottom of the motor. So the oil should stay up in the tank now and not be in the motor after the bike has sat for more than a week or two. That's a good modification, worth doing. Okay, we'll just do a quick walk around here. The bike is just pretty. I love Corbin seats on Nortons. Just makes a great looking bike. Okay. And there's the other side. And I've set it up for an overnight leak test, leak check. And I'm going to call the owner now and let him know that the bike is complete and can be picked up. So, there's the bike. Quite a little project, putting that electric starter in. I've done probably 12 or 13 of them. They really work well. And nice bike, looking good.